If you want to add logic-based redirects after a form submission without getting lost in bloated tutorials, you're in the right place. In the next couple minutes, I'll show you exactly how to set up redirects based on what your users select in a form. Whether you're collecting leads, qualifying prospects, or guiding users down different funnels, this will give you full control. And there's a trick at the end that makes it all way easier, so stick around. I've tested all the popular tools, Zapier, Typeform, JotForm, and more. And today we're using software that does this best. It's clean, fast, and allows conditional redirects without needing to write a single line of code. There's an exclusive free trial link in the description just for viewers of this channel, if you want to follow along or set this up right after watching. Here's how it works. First, create your form. Include the fields that matter, like a drop-down or multiple choice question that lets you segment your users. This is what we'll use as the logic trigger. Once the form is built, go to the form settings and locate the redirect on submission or after submission section, depending on the software you're using. Now this is the key part. You'll want to set up logic conditions. Think of it like this. If the user selects option A, send them to URL A. If they select option B, send them to URL B. In our software, click on Add Conditional Logic, choose the question, then set your rule. For example, if what are you interested in equals Gold IRA, then redirect to Gold IRA Guide. Repeat this step for each option you want to redirect. Keep your URL short, clear, and relevant. Once your rules are set, save everything and test it. Submit the form with each option and make sure the redirects are working exactly as expected. If your software doesn't support this natively, you can use a third-party automation tool like Zapier, but honestly, that's more steps than needed. The software we're using makes it native, clean, and fast. A pro tip: always include a fallback redirect in case none of the logic conditions are met. That way, your user never ends up stuck or confused. The key takeaway here: logic-based redirects after form submission let you personalize user journeys instantly and automate smart funnels without writing code. You decide where each person goes based on their input, and it's easier than you think. Quick recap: create your form, use drop-downs or radio buttons to collect segmenting data, go to submission settings, apply logic rules for each response, test everything, and you're done. If you want to skip the tech headaches, I recommend using the exclusive free trial of the software in the description. It's what I use, and it'll make this whole process much faster. Thanks for watching. Now go set up those logic-based redirects and level up your funnel.